Alright, this is the first Office update video since I filmed the last Office video where I talked about how all this is going to change, and as you can see, it is drastically different. Gone is the IKEA bookshelf in the center, and up are two actual bookshelves. The details are gone, and everything is now kind of spread out everywhere. We'll do a quick pan. The desk is still the same. Artwork is still the same above the desk. In the last video, I've changed around some of the decor into different places, and we'll go through it. Starting with the bookshelf, really just wanted to have everything in here, so this is all sort of a collection of all the things that I enjoy, not just Star Wars. So as you can see up top, we have Obi-Wan Kenobi lightsabers, and along with the Tales of Kenobi Barnes & Noble Special Edition book. And next to that is some Mississippi State memorabilia. That's where I went to university. Then we move down. And this is all the Star Wars novels that I have. Going over here, we have some Nashville Predator sports cards. Moving down a little further, we have science fiction novels and then some art ofs. And then on the bottom, we have comics and a Lego Millennium Falcon. Moving over, we still have the pin board of all the places I have been. Still looking to find a chair, and then this will be the little reading table with a lamp next to it, but haven't found a chair yet. Moving over to the other bookshelf. Up top, we have sort of the nonfiction on the left, and with a little bit of fiction right next to it. The Hot Toys diecast D3PO and R2, and then the Jack Carr novels. Moving below that, we have the Lego Porsche 911. And then this is sort of Christianity books, some Bibles, and then books about the outdoors, basically. Moving down, we sort of have our fantasy section. So we have the Aragon series, Lord of the Rings with the stone gates that I can never remember the name of, bookends. Then we have some other high fantasy novels. Moving down, this is sort of the, I guess what you call mindset, personal development type books. Harry Potter, limited edition, not limited edition, but book covers by, I forget the name, I'll put it in the caption. Then we have the story of King Arthur and the Knights. Heard about it all growing up. Never read the story of King Arthur and the Knights, so I decided to buy the book. And then we have some business and leadership books, along with the Black Series Mando helmet. Moving over to the triangle shelf, I'll call it. We have the De Nuovo, not De Nuovo. Yeah, De Nuovo Sandtrooper helmet on the bottom. Hot Toys Mando and Grogu with the 1:1 scale replica shifter knob. Lego Himeji Castle. Hot Toys Darth Vader. This is the Obi-Wan Kenobi version that has the alternate battle damaged helmet. And then a custom cowbell that I still have to fix the leather wrapping on because the glue I used was not strong enough. Up there's the diploma. Desk setup is still the same. Up top here we have National Championships Starkville Daily News newspaper. And then sort of my Grail Star Wars piece, which sits on the desk, is the Mythos Obi-Wan Kenobi statue. This is the new version that came out this year. If I had to get rid of all the Star Wars stuff, this would probably be the thing I would keep. And then moving over, we still have the printer and the book stands, or the drawer system. Secret Lab chair is still here. I have not bought a new chair yet, and I still need a reading chair. But that is the current update. Nothing on this wall. And yeah, hopefully next update we will have a reading chair and a new desk chair, because this thing is getting old and falling apart. It's over 5 years old now, and yeah, it's starting to get worn out, starting to fray. These are split on both sides. It's starting to become upholstered on the bottom. Stitching's coming out. So it's just time for a new desk chair. Anyways, that's just a quick update. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one.